and you understand what we mean by them. The first one, just to review all of that, okay? So we have a set which is U, and we have another set called A capital and B capital. Now what is A union B? What are the merge between A and B? It will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I carry on. 4 and 5 appears already in A, so I don't need to repeat them. It will be 6, 7, and 8. Now, what is the intersection? Now you look for a common factor between A and B. So 4 and 5 are the common elements between A and B. Now what is the A complement? Now you take the U and you minus A out of U. You take all elements in A from the set U and you just put down the complement of A. So they are basically 0 because not in A. We have 6 which is not in A. We have 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now what is the B complement? Again, you do the same trick. You take any element which appear in B out of the set U capital and you put down B prime. So this will be 0, 1, 2, 3, and as well 9 and 10. Now, what we mean by the difference between A and B? What is the difference between A and B? Now, with the difference, we are looking for an element which is in A but not in B. Not the common factor, the opposite of the common factor. So here we are looking for the values which are 1, 2, 3. 1 is exist in A, but it does not exist in B. 2 exists in A, but it's not an element of B. 3 is an element of A, but it's not an element of B, and so on. Now take B minus A. What?
Sorry.
Yeah.
So it means that A minus B means that the difference of A. So
A
from the first set,
minus B.
we're looking for the difference from the first set.
Yes, so the first set, the rules always start left to right. So the element that exists in A should not be existed on the right one, which is B, the next set. Now take the opposite, B minus A. Now we are looking for an element in B, and it is not in A. Again, what? 6. So 6 is an element of B, but it's not in A. 7 is an element of B, but it's not in A. 8 is an element of B.
Whatever's in there.
Exactly what you do minusing. You take the elements that in the right hand side from the equation.
Just like minus works in real life.